In this video we will talk about Undet 3D Viewer functionality in AutoCAD. There are two ways to open 3D Viewer. First one is to open 3D Viewer, in which you will see data of selected view section. Second one is to open 3D Viewer of specific scan position, in which you will see all data that was captured from selected scan position. First function that we will talk about is View Section Transformation. To show this function we will open our building in 3D Viewer. Then we will activate another view section which is smaller than the current one. So now in a 3D Viewer window we will select View Section Relocation in 3D Space option. This option will allow us to relocate our current view section to any place by selecting it in 3D Viewer. To do it, simply hold Shift key on your keyboard and click anywhere on point cloud inside 3D Viewer. As you can see, our view section position was changed, and since we had coloring by plane selected, we will have to select new plane according to which our view section will be colored. Also, we will turn off some inside scan data to reduce unnecessary noise in our view section. Because of very same reason we will adjust thickness of view section. When we talk about 3D Viewer, usually we are working with two displays at the same time, so this is how it looks when you are translating view section using 3D Viewer in real time. But because of presentation purpose we will keep showing everything in one screen. Another function is Coordinate Transfer. This will allow you to communicate between AutoCAD and Undet 3D Viewer while working on drawing lines, adding annotations and so on. You can even start drawing line in one environment and finish in another, just like we were showing in current examples. In 3D Viewer there is Refresh button, which will refresh your 3D view according to the changes made to current view section. It is up to you if you want to refresh 3D Viewer view after every or just after specific view section change. Moving forward, there is one more thing that is worth mentioning. Right now we see data in 3D Viewer of the project which has building, infrastructure objects and plants type. This project will have a 1 point every 3 centimeters. If you know that you will be working with 3D Viewer, we recommend to create new Undet project with detailed scanned objects project type, since it will have 1 point every 1 centimeter and view inside 3D Viewer will be denser. Now we will show very common example of how you can quickly and easily adjust your view section location using View Section Relocation option, but this time we will use option to Z direction. So in this case we can see that we have situation where it is really hard to understand where is correct wall location. So what we will do, we will jump to closest scan position 3D Viewer view, and while holding Shift key and have our relocation option selected we will click somewhere directly on the wall and our view section will be relocated, and we will be able to precisely identify wall location. Same in this case, where it looks like we have some kind of column next to our wall, but once we jump into 3D Viewer we can see that this is some kind of locker, and once we will relocate our view section, we will get clear view of our wall. If you have any questions about 3D Viewer or any other Undet for AutoCAD functionality, send us email to info@undet.com. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos. For more info, subscribe our channel or visit our website at www.undet.com.